First gray squirrel of the day. Big fat one. Alright, we got ourselves a fox squirrel.
Yeah.
Pretty as hell, yo.
Yeah,
Look at the tail, man. Blaze orange.
it's fucking nice.
Yeah, I missed. I think I probably hit it the first shot, but
Hopefully you get yours down there.
yeah, there's two of them. This one was
was
probably the male chasing the female. Yeah. Look at that thing. Pretty as hell, yo.
It's beautiful.
There's a lot of squirrel up here, but I didn't get a shot on the other one. I'm pretty sure it's gonna come back here. Almost out of time, so I'm gonna start shooting reds. Congrats, dude. Damn, Nelly would have been killing it too.
Yeah. How much you get?
Two?
Two?
Yeah. But the gun I have, the bullets I have, pattern is horrible.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I just tried it right now.
Oh, that's you shooting?
Yeah, good shit though.
Yeah.
Nice. Show us all your squirrel.
Oh, I gotta go get my backpack.
Oh, it's over there?
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's down there.
Not a single one? The squirrels migrated back in. It's okay, man. No squirrel, but you get to enjoy the outdoors.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah,
Right?
that's what it's all about.
That's a lot of reds.
Box zone.
Oh,
I have two in my backpack.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Those are grandpa's shot?
No, Vincent, huh?
This is shot those?
Yeah.
ก็ตัวจืด
Bay này không tử. Của lấy nè.
เยอะก็โต
ๆไม่ห้องจืดน่ะ
Bay từ không tử.
เยอะก็โตไปไล่อะ
กว่าที่ตุนน่ะทั้งจะ
Tôi bật lấy.
ไล่อะ
Ok mà. Dòng cờ mà nó bay tua lấy Ôi nè, nông đá mình đâu. Man over here. Did you get any? How many? Just one? It's good enough. Alright, that concludes our hunt. Today we got, what, 7 squirrels? 1 red. I'll take it. Time to go home. Alright, we shot 5 fox squirrel, 2 grays, and 1 red.